This is a little stirling engine that I've just finished. I gave the first one I built over here to my brother. I liked it so much I thought, well, better make another one. This one's got a heavier flywheel on it. It's got some brass inserts in it instead of the holes drilled through right through the flywheel that's on the other one over there. He runs very well. Quite pleased with it. The original was a kit, but you had to fabricate all the parts, and this one's just built entirely of bar stock, you know. It's running pretty sweet. Of course, these engines you can run indoors, there's no noxious fumes, you know, so that's a plus with these engines. They run quite a while on a little filling of methylated spirits in the burner. The original kit was a Grizzly kit from America. I purchased a kit and built it, and I copied the plans for this one. So there she goes. There's a stirling engine, but it's a beam, you know, a little beam engine. You see the beam there going up and down. Two pistons working in opposition to one another. The one at the front there is getting heated up and it's forcing the other, forcing that back, which is forcing the vertical piston up and back, and the flywheel continues the momentum going. You know, it's a novel design really. Quite like these little stirling engines. And there he is, that's a horizontal stirling engine I've just finished.